Hi guys, good morning. This is your Shiv Prakash. How are you all? And today I am going to discuss about a very good topic and it should be very interested. The topic name is non-negotiable mental health tips, anxiety and depression. So today this is the topic. What is depression? Depression is what you think it will not happen in your life, what you expect which is not happen in your life, whatever your willingness is not fulfill in your life. So this is the meaning of depression. So there is some symptoms also for depression, and easily we can able to find out the person whether he is in depression or no. Today I saw some videos. I'm simply searching for this YouTube video. I am got this topic about the depression and their symptoms and mental health tips, everything. Now I am going to share about this thing only to you all. The symptom of the depression is the person should be very depressed. He don't involved or interested in anything. For example, the person is depressed person will like to eat a chocolate, for example. If you give a piece of chocolate to that guy, he bite that chocolate and throw it out. But he likes chocolate. This is the symptom of the depression. And hypersonia. Hypersonia and hypertension is different. Hypertension means getting anger too much. Hypersonia, they will not get anger. They will bite their fingers, bite their lips, bite their teeth. That is hypersonia. That is high pitch level. So what are the remedies for this? There are only the few remedies we can able to handle the person in the first stage of depression. First of all, that guy or man or girl need a proper guidance from the parents or relatives or friends. If the person is depressed, you have to handle very care, and it is very danger to care that persons also. They will not obey your words. They loss of memories. They are having the pen in their hand, and they go on searching for the same pen which they have in their hand. So this is also one kind of symptoms. They have the pen in their hand only, but they are keep on searching for that same pen. This is also one kind of hypersonia. If you find the person have the depression, first of all, stop giving non-veg foods. The non-veg food will not help for the mental health. You have to give the pure vegetarian fruits, nuts, especially walnut, almond. That is the two nuts which you can give for that person. It will help to improve their mental health. And second thing is if they have a problem with diabetics or blood pressure, like that disease, if that person have, you cannot take the treatment in the home, we can't treat, then it's become a big mental disorder. You have to consult the doctor, and you have to take a clear treatment for that person. But I read in that book, and I read in that um, video, and I saw a lot of things in that video also. First of all, they are mentioning lot of doctors, if you are in angry mood, try to eat dark chocolate or use chewing gums to reduce your anger, or drink any glass of juice or whatever drinks. I mean, apple juice, orange juice, any drinks. It will reduce your hyper. And one more thing, if you are in too much angry mood, drink cold water. When you drink the cold water, your nerves will be released from the stress. You have to drink a very chilled water. If you drink the glass of chilled water, it will reduce your tension. And if you have the problem regarding the depression or anxiety, you have to eat variety of nuts and fruits and vegetables. Avoid non-vegetarian. Avoid non-vegetarian. Why I am saying two times avoid non-vegetarian, avoid non-vegetarian means, if you take more non-vegetarian, it will give you more fat content to your body. If the fat content will come, the bad cholesterol will rise in your body, and it's become a hypertension. Hypertension became a anorexia. So this is the thing I am saying. This is the message I read from that video. I read another two articles also. So try to eat chocolate when you are in hyper. Eat fruits and vegetables more instead of non-vegetarian foods. Drink chilled waters, and keep your mind always be calm. The another way is exercise. If you go in walking or going for workout or yoga, meditation, it is also helps to reduce your stress. From the stress only tension will coming. From the tension it's became a hypertension. The hypertension became a depression. So these are the steps we are facing through the angriness. So kindly follow the things and be happy and be healthy and be in good mental health. If you are not in good mental health, no use of living. So try to follow that, and in next video I am going to say some very important message. I am go through for that. Hope by tomorrow morning I will post. Stay tuned. Thank you so much.